back to Melvin. And today we are going to be making the bunny hanging planter. So there's a little planting pot inside of this so you can get some soil, some dirt, and then put a plant inside and wait for it to grow. You can actually also hang this. That's why it's called the bunny hanging planter.
And also you can put a seed in there.
And there's even a little bunny in the back. So let's get started.
Yeah.
So your kit will not come painted. If you want it painted, you can ask an adult to help you with that part. We just go ahead and pre-paint ours. So for step number 1, you're going to stand both side pieces up with the screw eye facing down. So the little circle holes are going to be facing down. And you're going to make sure all of the sides are even, and you're going to nail the bottom piece.
This is the bottom piece.
Always make sure you're holding your nail on there. Hold it up straight. There you go, that's the right way to do it.
Always make sure you are getting supervision because hammers are really heavy and they're not the best for you to get yourself. But parents are much better at it if you need help. That's the same for every single project. Let's line that up.
So is it hard to keep a line, or do you think that you become a pro at these kids' workshops?
Not much of a pro, but
Sometimes you need an adult to help out. Lend a helping hand to make sure it's straight.
this one. Now, make sure I have my 2 fingers.
That's okay. You can do it. Perfect. And that is all that you have to do for step number 1. Let's move on to step number 2. So for step number 2, you're going to turn the project on an open end. Make sure all the edges are even and nail them together. Nail the front piece on. So you're going to, I'll give you your helping hand to make that even. Isaiah's good at knowing how to hold his nails upright with his 2 fingers. Hammering those nails in, aren't you, Isaiah?
Yeah.
And Ori one got out.
Oh, good job straightening that up, Isaiah. Hammer straight down. Great job.
Oh, I knocked the nail out.
The nail flew out.
Whee!
Oh, there you go. And hammer that last nail straight down in there. Great job, Isaiah.
Well, I did not do that. You waited.
Now let's move on to step number 3.
Yeah.
So for step number 3, you're going to turn the project over. Pick up the bunny shape with the printed words facing down. The side with the printed words is the back. Make sure your edges are even and nail them together with 4 nails.
Oh. I did not know was the printed egg. Somebody told the bunny.
Elijah needs a little extra help because the hammer is heavy for him. Good job, Elijah.
You don't. I use my strength. On the other videos, I don't use my strength.
You don't use your strength on the other videos? All right, let's move on to step number 4. So for step number 4, you're going to twist the screw eye into each hole in the side pieces. You gotta twist them in there. You gotta push while you twist a little bit. You guys are doing a great job. Do you know what these side pieces are for?
To
What these
hang
little screws
the
are for?
rope.
So you can hang it up. Good job. You guys are smart cookies.
Just like battle cookies. And also one cookie. Is mine all done?
That is perfect. Now that we have our side pieces screwed in, the last thing that we have to do is to put our bunny face on the back and his little feet on the front. Let's move on. So for step number 5, we are going to put our bunny stickers on, the faces and then the little feet on the front. And if you want, you can go ahead and put the Home Depot sticker on the bottom. We went ahead and tied our strings on right after we screwed in the side pieces.
All right, so let's get adding.
Is that hard to peel off there, Elijah?
One ear at
Lay your bunny flat down on his back. There you go. That's easier to get the sticker on that way.
I need some help. Right on this. Get him flat. Part of my sticker is going off of the bunny there because it's too big.
It was too big.
There's the bunny's feet.
Now the feet goes
Now
on the
bunny's
front.
feet.
Good job. Good job, Isaiah. Perfect.
The feet goes in the
You
front.
got your face on. You can put your little feet in the front.
I love stickers.
They're sticky
But
though.
actually, I'm putting the feet in the
master of them.
See how you did your feet. Your bunny's got his feet sticking straight up. Let's see, Isaiah. Elijah, you got yours on?
He looks like he's
Hold it up so we can see it.
looking like he's sitting. But mine, I put the wings feet on the wrong sides.
The feet on the wrong side. I don't think it said right or left. All right, and then your last step, you're just gonna go ahead and put your little flower pots in the middle, and we need to plant some seeds, right?
Yeah.
So where did you guys put your little Home Depot signs?
I didn't get a turn. I put mine in the back. So it looks
In the
like
back.
I put mine on the little seed cup.
Okay, and since everybody finished their bunny holders, everybody gets a certificate.
Bunny plant holders?
Hanging bunny holders.
hang on.
Everybody gets
behind the ear.
a certificate of achievement.
Oh, those are my favorite.
Elijah, Isaiah, and with every kit you get your certificate of achievement, and you also get your bunny pin to put on your apron.
My apron.
Let's just put it right there. This one has the most.
My apron.
Bye everyone. Thank you for watching Mel Family. Hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up.